This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Edgar Monge. Well-maintained, 3-story, open floor plan townhouse. Home features an embedded storage area in the garage, pre-wired for cordless cable, every level with programmable thermostats, storm door, and sliding glass door, with screen, engineered hardwood flooring throughout, and carpets in bedrooms. Kitchen with stainless steel appliances, island, pantry, recessed lighting, and pre-wired for pendant lighting. Large foyer area with first floor bedroom and full bath. Spacious third floor dual master suites with full bath, one with tray ceiling, dual sink, ceramic tiled shower, and a transom window for natural lighting, walk-in closets, and pre-wired fan boxes. The community offers many amenities, such as a clubhouse, extra parking, children's playground, walkways, dog park, community pool, etc. It is conveniently located near town center, malls, grocery shopping.